You've got a business to grow and are looking to connect with your audience. My job as your client quarterback is about setting up your winning game plan. And that's what I'm all about, game plans. See, sports has always been part of my life, and I love telling stories. So I went to school to be in sports broadcasting. Working for a few decades in TV, I interviewed some of the most iconic players. After I graduated from college, my very first season pass was for the Hornets. The first time I interviewed huge stars like Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant, Shaquille O'Neal, I was awestruck. But no matter how accomplished and famous they were, you know what I learned? Everyone wants to be treated like a regular person. It's a lesson I still follow. And what's true for those sports icons is the same for the slightly less famous advisors I meet with every day. I love to talk video and take the time to really listen to what you're looking for. And just like with MJ, I interview you to do that with questions like, would you rather spend your time working on your marketing or spending time with your family? It's an easy answer for me. These two guys are everything, and a big reason why I turned in my media credentials for this career. It's spending time with my sons, cheering them on at their games, and don't tell Shaq, Drew Brees, or Mo Salah that these players are my all-time favorite athletes, and I hope I'm one of their favorite coaches. Raising these guys is the most important job I have, but being your client quarterback is a close second. I'll talk to you soon.